Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HOTWAV Note 12 and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find the security. Now let's tap on More Security Settings, which is at the very bottom of this list, and tap on Encryption and Credentials. And as you can see, almost at the very bottom of this list, we've got the option we're looking for, so the clear credentials. Let's simply tap on it and confirm it with OK. And as you can see, not only we've got this information, but also this option is inactive, which simply means that we just successfully removed all certificates. Alright, so that would be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.